Hey future you, this is Gemini, day 6 of Seoul, South Korea. We were so grateful when we woke up to this beautiful sunny view from our apartment. You can see the temples and the mountains out in the distance, so it was really peaceful to look at, but we couldn't stay for too long because we had to head out the door and out of the apartment. We were taking a taxi today because we were so exhausted from a week of running around all of Seoul. We really are trying to use the public transportation as much as possible, and we've been using the subway as well as the buses all week, but today we really needed a bit of a break, and so that's why we took the taxi, but definitely trying to avoid it as much as possible. We came down to Gangnam because we wanted to look for some items that we forgot to bring from back home in America. Gangnam is such a beautiful area, and there's also so many beautiful shopping malls here. At the bottom floor of most malls in Korea, you can find a really lovely shopping area that has lots of wonderful bakeries and other small stores. So we stopped by at this really lovely bakery that has fresh bread. We got a sweet pumpkin, a red bean bun, and also a different type of red bean bun because we absolutely love red bean. So we packed those for the following day, and then we also got some doshirak, which is sort of like a Korean lunchbox set, and they were so beautifully packaged, so we decided to pick one up that we could have today or tomorrow. We were so hungry, so we ended up having it today, but the woman who was running the store was so sweet and so helpful to us, and afterward we decided to go and look for some fruit and also some microwavable meals that we could take home and cook during the week. With a lot of help from the store associates, we were able to find a microwavable fried rice and also some sweet pumpkin porridges and other porridges that we thought we would like. And the total came out to around 25,000 Korean won, which is $19.38. We were so exhausted because we actually didn't show, but we hit another grocery store on our way home. It was mainly to pick up some water as well as these snacks right here, which are these sweet potato, I guess you could call them like chips or dried sweet potatoes. Here are the buns that we got earlier today. They got a little bit squashed on the subway back home, but they're definitely still worth it. They look absolutely delicious, and they actually were. They were so good. We like to keep out some foods for the rest of the week as well, so those were some frozen rice for on school nights, and then we also got this sweet pumpkin porridge for breakfast. We tried a few other types of porridges, including the sweet red bean porridge as well, and a black sesame version. So we've heard that these are very popular traditional breakfasts in Korea, and while we wish we could make it authentically, we'll have to settle for these for now. We also got some soup as well as some chestnut rice because we thought they would be good for just quick meals during the week, since we're often traveling so much that we don't have too much time to grab food while we're heading to campus or coming back. So it was nice to be able to finally relax after putting all of those groceries away and cleaning up the house. We enjoyed the doshirak from earlier, and it was so good. We especially loved the vegetables that were stir-fried on top. It reminded us a lot of kind of the home-cooked meals our mom made for us when we were younger. We enjoyed the food as well as some Asian pears while we were watching some TV because at this point we were so tired, but we managed to get up pretty soon because we still had a few quick errands to run and also some shopping we wanted to do. So we headed back out into the city. We crossed the Han River, and it was beautiful at this time of the afternoon. The sun was just setting in Seoul, and yeah, this area was also very busy. It's the Yeongdongpo area, and we noticed how there is a green light that shows up every time you need to cross the street, so that was something interesting. But we headed into the last mall of the day. This was the Times Square Mall, which you probably heard of. It looks a lot like Westfield World Trade Center Mall in New York City. The mall was really beautiful, and we walked all around it. We were unsuccessful in doing our shopping, but that was okay because we were quite tired, so we wanted to head home and rest up because tomorrow is our very first day of classes, and that means you're gonna have to wish us good luck. Bye-bye.